Hey everybody, it's Brian. I have this Musa Basjoo that stubbornly grew up through one of my bamboo boxes. I made a video about it a couple of months ago. Y'all told me to keep it and see where it goes. Here's an update of what it's doing today. It's actually doing really well. It's about 7 feet tall and got lots of leaves on it. The bamboo has not really spread very much this year, and so there's nothing really that close to it that would damage the banana plant. You can see there's a new shoot that came out that pierced one of the leaves, but all that did is put a tear in it. Not really that bad. Nothing that a strong wind couldn't have done. Other than that, it's happy and growing, so which is good because the one right next to it here has a flower. This is a second one I have that is flowering this year, and so this one will disappear. So I might transplant that one down once this flowering one goes away. Like and subscribe to follow this and other tropical and subtropical plants I grow in Zone 8 just outside of Seattle.